In this lecture, whatever keyword user is typing, based on that keyword, we are going to show the result. For that, whatever code we have written in the backend, we are just going to fetch that URL. Now, inside this front end, we are having product slice.js, and we have already created this function using which we are accessing all the products. Now same get product function we are going to modify, and now we are having payload, and payload is nothing but keyword. In place of this underscore, I will be writing object, and inside this I will be passing keyword, and this keyword is nothing but whatever keyword we are going to get from the user. Now here let me just comment this line. Above this I will be creating the variable link. Now I'm just going to write here keyword. If I'm having keyword, then what I have to do, I will copy this exact same URL, copy. Inside this template string, I'm going to paste. And after that, I have to pass this keyword. Let me show you why I am passing. Now we are not having any result because we are changing this product slice. Now inside this, I'm just going to write mango. As soon as I hit enter, you can see after products, I am having question mark, and then I am having keyword. After question mark, I will be passing this keyword which will be equal to this keyword. And again, this entire search I will be wrapping using this encode URI component. And inside this, I will be passing keyword. If I am having any keyword, then I should be redirected to this route. Else, I will remove this entire thing. Else, I should be redirected to this route. Now save this. Okay, what I am telling, whenever I am dispatching this action, if I am having keyword, then I should be redirected to this route, and accordingly I have to get the result. If I am not having any keyword, then directly fetch all the products and display to user. Now I'll come here. I will refresh. Nothing will be displayed. Let me come to products page. Here also nothing will be displayed. Now let me inspect. You can see for all the consoles, I am having null, as well as inside this products, as I am having error, here I am getting toast is not defined. So I'm just going to open products.jsx. So here I am using toast. So above this, I'm just going to import toast. Now if I refresh, you can see no product is displayed. Let me just close. Now I will come to console. Remove errors is not defined. Why? Because I am dispatching the action. So all these things has to be imported. Remove last letter, hit enter. Now again if I refresh, you can see that errors will be gone, but still I am having null. So I am not able to access the keyword. So that is the reason I am having null. Inside this, we are dispatching action. So here, while dispatching, we are just going to pass keyword. Okay, in this way you have to pass. Inside this object, I will be passing this keyword. And whenever this keyword changes, we have to dispatch the action. So again, this keyword, we are going to pass in dependency array. Now I will come here, refresh once. You can see I am having all the results successfully. I am able to get all the products, and initially I am not having any keyword, so I will be having null. Now what I will do, I will be searching for mobile. Let me just close this. Now you can see only mobile data will be displayed. Now here I will be writing product, hit enter. So wherever I am having product, all the products will be displayed. Again I will be writing mobile, hit enter. Only mobile product will be displayed. So in this way, we are going to perform search. But now the problem is, as soon as I come to home, whatever product I have searched, only that product will be displayed. So what we will do, open home.jsx. Inside this also, we have dispatched this get product. So here we are going to pass the keyword. And inside this, what we will do directly, we are just going to assign empty string. And now this keyword, we don't have to pass in dependency array because whenever our keyword changes, we don't want to dispatch this action again in home.jsx. So directly we will be passing this keyword whenever we are dispatching this action. Now I will come here. You can see I will be having all the products. Now again I will be searching. I will be searching for mobile. Hit enter. Only that card will be displayed. Now inside this, I will be writing product 3, hit enter, only product 3 card will be displayed. Successfully, we are able to perform this complete search functionality. But now what I want here, I will be writing mango. As soon as I hit enter, I am having no products found. But still, whatever products I am having, all the products are displayed. I do not want this one. Instead, what I want, let me just show in demo. Here I will be writing something. Hit enter. I should be having error along with this component. So next we are going to work on this component and we will see if we are not having any product, how to display this component.